Alright, Kaizen. Kaizen is a philosophy to live by to help cut down on waste, which will focus on involving the whole team to create solutions for improving the process with suggestions that the employee will give. Our team's suggestions for improving the process that we all agreed on were, why don't we give an option of providing the video for the patient so that they can watch it online at home before they come in and donate blood? This will cut down the process down by 16 minutes, which will help our team reach our goal of not exceeding 115 minutes per new donor. So we have identify an opportunity. The opportunity was to reduce the wait time by cutting a step out. Analyze that process. We will look at the process within the plasma center and if a step is causing a wait time. Develop an optimal solution. Taking out the video will reduce the wait time. Implement that solution. Take that step out of the process. Study the results, collecting data to understand if the solution is working. Standardize the solution, cutting out the step out completely so that it is a normal procedure. Number 7, plan for this future. Finding what other steps can be cut out of the picture so that we can reduce the wait time even more, or just making the step more airline. Alright, since Kaizen is a philosophy, I wanted to break it down even further with these 3 things. We're going to help encourage employee involvement by bringing more awareness to the training session. Education and training employees. So we're going to focus on training the team members about the benefits that Kaizen can provide. Even if it's a small change, those small changes add up and it can improve the efficiency of the process that is being made. The quality level improvement. After the training stage is completed, we'll make it more long-term and widespread so that the whole organization will be able to benefit from the Kaizen philosophy.